What's up? It's Andy here from Mr. and Mrs. Delicious. And today this is a super exciting episode for us. Chicken sandwiches are all the craze right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Emily blindfolded do a blind taste test of 4 of the most popular sandwiches.
First stop is Mary Brown's Chicken. Second stop, Popeyes Chicken, baby. Nice.
Popeyes District, how may I help you?
Hi, can we get a deluxe chicken sandwich? And can I get 1 biscuit?
Hi, how can I help you?
Hello, can I get a number 9 combo?
Drink?
Yes, can I get orange Fanta?
Anything else?
Can I get a large fries? It's got everything on it, right?
KFC, baby. That's it, KFC, right there. We got Mary Brown's, Wendys, Popeyes, and KFC. They're all the original sandwich. Now let's see if Emily can tell the difference between the sandwiches, and we're gonna find out which Emily's favorite sandwich is. So I'm gonna unwrap them. Let's see what they look like first. This is our KFC sandwich. The next sandwich here is the Popeyes sandwich. Super excited about this one. Oh dear. This looks amazing. And the Popeye sandwich got a nice ciabatta bun. Fantastic. Okay, what do we have next here? We have the Wendy's sandwich. Ooh, good old classic Wendy's. This one's got a couple extra bonus parts on. This is the Asiago sandwich. And last but not least, we have the Mary Brown's Big Mary. Oh yeah. Wow, that looks great. So let's get Emily blindfolded and bring her in, and we're gonna see if she can tell what sandwich is from what place. We're gonna spin her around 3 times here, just to make sure that she's completely discombobulated. I'm gonna give you a bite of the first sandwich, and you're gonna tell me what sandwich you think it is, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
I guess what it is.
Yeah.
KFC. The greasiness gave it away.
Here we go. The second sandwich. Yes. What are you thinking?
Mary Brown's.
Okay. Okay, you go for it. What do you think you got there, Emily?
Popeyes.
So this is your last one. This one should be obvious to you. It was also dripping like crazy, but we'll just ignore that for now.
That's Wendy's.
Let's shoot the shit for a bit. Well, let's be honest. You got 100%. So what are you thinking, flavor-wise?
Like, I'm not a chicken sandwich connoisseur. This is personal preference, but the KFC one was my favorite.
Was it?
Was my favorite one.
Really?
I don't think I could like any of them the least. I don't know if it's because the KFC is so coated with mayo, and I wish the others were a little saucier.
But for me, Popeyes spice. And the bun is an interesting bun.
The Wendy's, when I smelt the bun, it smelt like an apple pecan chicken salad.
No, you're right. They're all great. I'll be honest. Each sandwich has its own special little flair to it. And so I would recommend any of the sandwiches. But also, like we found out today, what comes along with your sandwich if you get a meal? The fries and the sides, they play a huge part in your decision.
I would just go to Popeyes for the biscuit. That's it. I would go to Wendy's to get well done fries, but I think my favorite fries out of all of them are KFC.
That's your favorite?
KFC fries.
Well, also KFC, you've been bringing in customers not just for your chicken, but for your fries all these years.
I knew the KFC flavor right away.
You knew it.
Right away. Do you know that they made Colonel Sanders look like he could be any race? So they had good marketing capability with this design. Because it could easily be black, white,
Asian?
whoever.
Getting down to the end. Look, KFC is gone first. I don't know, but it's gone. If that tells you something,
We're spoiled.
we are spoiled. Especially me, because I got you.
So please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments what your favorite chicken sandwich is right now.
I can't go anywhere until these are gone. And I'm Mr.
And I'm Mrs.
Delicious.
And check out our Instagram page, Mr.Mrs.
_delicious.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button down there on the right-hand side, and make sure you hit the little bell and turn your notifications on to receive our latest content. And While you're here, make sure you grab a side of fluffy oven roasted potatoes and a slice of chocolate cake on your way out.